Hey guys, I trust that you're doing well. So this video today is about sharing your brand or getting your product or service out there on an international scale. So what I have here today, it's called a platform, it's called Brand Push. So what happens here is you post your article, whether it is about your product or your service, or if you're selling affiliate products, etc. And you can actually get featured on all of these top websites. As you can see, these are websites that gets millions of visitors per month, right? And you could basically get featured on there. They would also they actually guarantee you results, so which means if it is that you don't see the results as you wished or hoped for, they would actually assist you in refunding your money back to you, right? So this is cool if you are looking to promote some affiliate products, or if you're looking to promote some of your own products even, and you want to feature it on an international scale. This is the ideal thing to do. So let me show you. Is you first write an article or something about your brand or product or service. You publish it over there, right? It gets published on 200 news websites globally, and then you start seeing results. Guys, this is still a fairly new platform, so not a lot of people are aware of it, not a lot of people know about it. So get in on this as soon as possible and make the best of it. I'm going to leave a link to it in my bio. So click on my bio and follow the link. It's going to be called Brand Push. And if you sign up, there will be a little bonus for you as well to get started with. Cool. Guys, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow for more videos. Thank you. Bye.